Hey everybody, this is Bjorn from WP Learning Lab, and in this video I'm going to show you how to embed a Vimeo video into a WordPress page or a post. So the first thing we're going to do is either create a page or a post. So in my case for this demo, I'm just going to create a new page, hover over pages, click on add new, put a title in the title box. Move my cursor into the content area, and then we're going to head over to Vimeo. We have a pro Vimeo account, which allows us to set up a lot of privacy settings that are actually far above what YouTube offers for their privacy settings. It's actually pretty cool. I'll show you that in a second. But we've uploaded this video, and we're going to embed. Actually, first of all, we're in the video settings section, so we have a bunch of video settings to choose from: basic, privacy, collections, and embed. So the one we want to choose is embed. And one of the great things you can do in Vimeo that you can't do in YouTube is you can choose what overlays appear on your video. So if we choose, or by default, this is all the stuff that appears. You have a like button, you have a watch later button, and you can actually have a lot more that isn't appearing by default for some reason. But there's a bunch of things that appear preset, and then you can actually choose to hide a lot of things. You can hide all the badges, the plus badge, you can hide the like button, you can hide watch later, all the share buttons. If I want it to be a truly unique video to my website, and I don't want people to have a lot of access to my other Vimeo videos or go to Vimeo, these are the options that I choose: full screen, show play bar, and volume control, and then that's it. And at the end of the video, I then choose usually nothing, or I choose text. There's actually text that will appear at the end of the video saying whatever you want. You can have a link show up at the end of the video. So if your video is a call to action to get someone to register for something or buy something, you can then at the end of the video pop up a link. The video grays out at the end, and there's this text and a link that says click here now to get the discount I was just talking about, or to download this white paper. Generally, for a lot of the videos that I do, I choose nothing, and then I click on save changes. And then that will be our embedding options for this video. And we click above the video, there's a small little link called Get Embed Code. Click on that. The embed code is pre-highlighted. We just copy it, and then we paste it into our WordPress page or a post if you're making a post. And if we're happy with that, we click on Publish. And in just a second, you're going to see one of the privacy settings that is in Vimeo that isn't available on YouTube. So if you click on View Page, you see here, sorry, because of its privacy settings, this video cannot be played here. So that's pretty cool. You can actually define which websites can embed your videos. So let's take a closer look at the privacy settings. We're back in the Vimeo video settings section. And for the way we use Vimeo is mostly it's for our membership content and the content we want to keep truly private, where YouTube is where we have all our general public videos. YouTube is also a much more used website than Vimeo is. So in our company, they both have very different purposes, and they're really good at what they're both doing. So the Vimeo privacy settings are far and away way better than YouTube. And the settings we usually have is hide this video from Vimeo, so it doesn't appear anywhere on the Vimeo site. And then we choose where can this video be embedded. We usually choose only on sites that I choose. So if we type in the website we're working on, which is WP-PH or WP-PhD.com, we put that in there, and now this security setting that we see, because the privacy settings cannot be played here, that will be lifted in just a moment when we save these settings. I usually don't allow comments on these private videos because there's usually a comment box on the page, so there's no need to allow Vimeo comments. What can people do with this video? Sometimes they can download it, sometimes they can't. It really depends on the purpose of that video. And we never allow them to add it to collections or to their collections, which is a Vimeo-based feature, allowing someone to add it to their collection. And when you're done with the privacy settings, click on Save Changes. And now if we refresh the page, this video should appear now. See, here it is with the new privacy settings that allow it to show up on our domain. We can now see the video. And it plays there as expected. So that's one of the great things that Vimeo has above YouTube. That's very awesome. The other thing I really, really like about Vimeo is in the video file tab. Say you made an error in your video, or say your video is associated with some sort of countdown or a timeline, and you want to upload a different version of the video every day, but you don't want to always change the embed code. Like on YouTube, you have to have a video for each day you want to have the countdown. So if you have a 5-day countdown, you have a different video for each of the 5 days. You'll have to have 5 different videos uploaded, 5 different embed codes, and go in and change all these things in your site every day. Whereas on Vimeo, you can actually use the replace this video option, where you can just make a new video, upload it, and replace the old video. And that's another great feature that isn't available on YouTube. In YouTube, you can edit your video a little bit, you can add pieces, but it's really a hassle. Whereas Vimeo makes it really easy. All you click is replace this video, and you can upload a new video. I hope this video helps you. My name is Bjorn Allpast. Please make sure you follow, subscribe, and check out wplearninglab.com, where we write about things WordPress every single day. Talk to you soon.